My name is Muhammad Arif bin Sarifuddin, number metric 07 DEM 18F 1039. What is a time of flight sensor and how does a TOF sensor work? A time of flight camera or TOF camera is range imaging camera system that resolves distance based on the known speed of light. Measuring the time of flight of a light signal between the camera and the subject for each point of the image. The time of flight camera is a class of scannerless LiDAR in which the entire scene is captured with each laser or light pulse, as opposed to point by point with a laser beam such as in scanning LiDAR system. LiDAR or lighting detection and ranging.
My name is Muhammad Yusuf bin Rusdan 07 DEM 18F 1038. I will explain about the working principle of time of flight sensor. There are two working principles of time of flight sensor. The first one is using time pulse. It works by firstly illuminating the target with laser light and measuring the reflected light with a scanner, where the distance of the object is deduced using the speed of light to calculate the distance traveled accurately. In addition, the difference in laser return times and wavelength are then used to make precise digital 3D representation and surface characteristic of the target and visually map out its individual feature. As you can see above, that the process where the laser light is first emitted and bounce off an object back to the sensor. With the laser return time of flight camera are able to measure the exact distance in a short time given the speed at which light travel. Time of flight is translated into distance. Here is the formula which analysis used to arrive at the precise distance of the object. Speed of light multiply time of flight and divided by 2.
My name is Muhammad Khairul bin Samsudin 07 DEM 18F 1041. For time pulse, as you can see, a timer will start during an exit of the light and when the return light is received by receiver. The time is written by the timer. When the two time are subtract, the time of the light is obtained and the speed of light is constant. So the distance can be easy to calculate using the formula above. With this, all points on the object surface can be determined.
My name is Muhammad Aslam bin Abdul Qadir 07 DEM 18F 1042. For the second principle, using phase shift of an amplitude modulated wave, continuous wave to detect the phase shift of the reflect light to determine depth and distance. By modulating the amplitude, it creates a light source of a sinusoidal form with a known frequency which allows a detector to be able to determine the phase shift of the reflect light and by using the formula. So this is the formula. Each point on the scene can be easily calculated by the sensor to find out the depth.